YouTube family, it's Vegas trip number 4. It's Vegas trip number 4 since I've restarted this YouTube channel. I want you all to see what's very important to me when I travel, and that is to pack food. Got some oatmeal, chicken wings from the extended stay gourmet video. We got some chicken salad, we got some spaghetti. Got up this morning and made me a breakfast burrito, eggs, tater tots, and sausage. We have our little condiment pack. Okay, Sanaya's over there. She just finished making her eggs and tater tots. Looking like a Vegas angel. You all saw when she bought this outfit here. Oh, she looked like a Vegas angel. Okay. We're supposed to be heading down. Our Uber is supposed to be here at 4:30. So I wanted to be actually heading down at 4:15. Okay, so I just wanted to make this video as we are leaving out and heading out on this Vegas trip, so you all can kind of see the process. But like I said, this is the most important thing to me, and the reason why I say that, and I'm talking kind of low because it is early in the morning, it's 4 in the morning. I do want to be considerate of my neighbors, because you want to have enough food so you don't have to buy food. This is enough food for us to pretty much have for day 1. So we don't have to buy food on day 1. I'm going to just sit you all right here while I get myself together. Put my jacket on. Put my vest on. So Naya, do me a favor. Go ahead and put that stuff in a bag, in a grocery bag. Memory cards, because I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on this trip. Need my wallet. Cash. And a few coins. You don't want to go through TSA with a whole bunch of coins. But you all see my little jade there. I've carried that around with me for, man, over 5-6 years. I carry this around in my pocket. I guess it's kind of like a gratitude rock. Any of you all who might be familiar with The Secret, you know, they have, you know, they talked about in the movie The Secret This guy had this thing called Gratitude Rocks. So I guess that's kind of why I carry it around. My camera charger. And you all see, this is pretty much my luggage. This is pretty much what I'm packing to go. Alright, Samaya, can you hold the camera while I wrap up my Like I said, you all just try to pack as much food as possible. Okay, I believe that's everything. $4.21. Now I'm doing my checks to make sure I have everything. Got my sunglasses, wallet, phone, keys, cash, some coins. And I like to leave my room as neat as possible. It's just I want to come home to a nice, neat room as much as possible. So now we might as well take these chips. You said what? Okay. Alright, so now you can go ahead and head on down. Okay, I don't like having dishes in the sink. Go ahead and head on down. Say what? Okay, you all. Like I said, I don't like dishes in the sink. I don't want none of this looking at me when we come back. And Sanaya just finished making her eggs and stuff to take, and she know I don't like this. I don't know why she didn't just clean this stuff up. And see, she's concerned about her frying pan. Gotta put oil in it to keep it. She's afraid it's gonna rust out. That was the last thing she said to me as she walking out the door about her frying pan. Okay. Housekeeping can take this trash down. I'm not gonna worry about this stuff. Okay. My OCD is about to get the best of me. But final checks, final room check. Okay, I'm gonna sit you all over here again. Lord, I pray I have everything. Got my water bottle, got the food. And we are off. We are off. Lord, I pray I have everything. I believe I do. That's another worst feeling when you're traveling is, hold 1 second. Okay, the toilet has, sometimes it just runs and runs, and I would have hated for that to be running the whole time we were gone, but it just stopped. Okay, yeah, it stopped. Another empty box. Yeah, housekeeping, they can take care of this stuff when they come in. Do my final check. Phone, keys, wallet. I need to actually feel it. Wallet, keys, phone, cash, coinage, bag, bottle. We off. We're off. We're off to see the wizard. In the land of Oz. MGM Grand is like an emerald. You know, in Oz they talk about the Emerald City. I was just looking out the window. It looked like there was a car that's about to turn into here. You all are getting to see the process. Getting my exercise first thing this morning. All right. Okay, so all righty. I made it down here before the Uber got here. I didn't want the Uber to be waiting on me. It's a nice crisp morning here. Somebody else is out here waiting on an Uber too. Okay. Sanaya says the Uber should be here in any second. So far, so good, y'all. Say that again. Right on time. Okay. So far, so good, you all. What color is the car?
White.
Okay.
Pathfinder.
A Pathfinder. Okay.
I think she's over there. Is that a Pathfinder?
I think that is a Pathfinder. Okay, so she turned in at the Taco Bell. So she's not going to be able to come back around.
No.
Watch our stuff, Sanaya. Watch our stuff. She got lost coming in. And instead of turning in over here, she turned in over here at Taco Bell. So she's going to have to go out and come back around. I was trying to see if I can catch her just to let her know. Okay, now my anxiety is starting to crank up. Okay. Okay, that's her turning around. Okay. All is well. All is well. Birds chirping, y'all. Y'all hear the birds? I just love that sound. To me, that's the birds waking up and giving thanks. They're singing praises. That's the way I take that when I hear birds chirping in the morning like that. They're waking up and singing praises to the Most High. They're grateful for another day. Hold on, sis. Hold on, sis.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah. All right, YouTube family, that's our Uber. We are off to the airport. Stay tuned.